Okay, good morning, tubers. Okay, out here at 50, gonna do some warm up, blow off, and go right at this firefighter challenge. Okay, so this was my first rip at it. The idea of this is you have to hit it within 3 shots to get your one shot and move on. If you hit it your first shot like I did, you can move on if you feel like you're there. And I felt I was there. I did my warm up, and it was a good warm up, and I went from there. So I got all my flames here, including the truck. That's 5. I've got all my bells. Missed that one. Missed my ice cube, but I hit the ice cube there. That's 13. This row here, missed this one, but got 5, 10, 15, 20. Hit all my, touched my red on that circle. Burning ring of fire there. I got one there. I hit the fire extinguisher. Missed the fire extinguisher. Hit 10 and a 10. And plug that flame there. You got to hit that flame in the center, not just the white. But you got to touch the... And these touch any paint of your intended target, and it's a point. It's a hit. That's also a 10-pointer. If you hit just the house, it's not. Get a piece of the flame, 10 points. This one is a total of 70. Okay. Okay, so my normal blow off, and man, I just love that it's so consistent. I'm not kidding, guys. This is straight up first thing in the morning. First shot up high. Usually it's to the right. That was straight up square. And then wrap those 4. Went at this, spilt my coffee on this one this morning, so I was going to stay home thinking, okay, that's a sign. But nope, come out, wipe that clean, and I'll score that up at the house. I always score these up at the house. So I don't have my glasses usually with me, and then I get back at home and do it. And that one looks pretty darn decent. And I'm just going to go at some groups now, but I'm happy with that. I'll do some groups out here at 50. This printed up smaller. That's a 1-inch paster, and these, the way I printed them up, they somehow printed small. So I kind of like that, because the 1-inch pasters, with these match barrels, you can go at something tighter. So I'm just going to go at some SK pistol match and try to get some absolute accuracy here. You have a little fun with it and not hit my phone. This one I did a little better. So I got my 5 up top. This is one. And you can shoot it 2 more times for your sight in. Actually, if you wanted to go another one, you could do 2, as long as you hit that within your 3 shots. Got my 5 up here. Got a 1, 1, 1, a 10 there, and I nicked the tip of the top of the bell there. So I'll count that as a point. It's 14. So 5 there, 14 on that row, 25 on this row. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Hit all my red, plugged all my red. Got a 10 there, a 1 there, hit the red. 10, just touched the flame there. And another 10 and another 10. And then I hit my burning down the house 10. So that's a total of 95. That's going to be my high score. And fun stuff, man. And then I went at this, and boy, this SK pistol match, guys, no kidding. This is right there. It's just very interesting with this target here. And I was just, sometimes you feel it, sometimes you're not. And I felt it was going to be accurate today, and I just kept going at it. So what's very interesting is as I went around and me holding at the bag, and my hold was the same. Like here, I went around and shot this like a Z challenge and came back. And it's so funny that I emulated the shots that I was shooting. There's 2 there. There's 3. End up 3 on that one. But the second rip around, I do believe I damn near hold it. So very funny. High and to the right here. Dead center. Up top left. That's 2. That's 2. So I find that very interesting. That shows not the gun, not the ammo, definitely the operator. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys have fun with this challenge. And it's pretty much on the mid-level, on the easier side, I think. The difficulty, yeah, there is a couple hard ones, but that's what makes it fun, right? And that's what changes the score big time. 1 shot. And this last shot optional. If you miss, you lose 5 points on that. Okay? So, just a heads up. There you go. And good luck.